Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Asia and I know you guys are going out this weekend, so I created this sparkly, dark, smoky eye look so that you could be glamorous on your night out. For makeup, beauty, and skincare tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel by clicking my face right down below. And make sure you hit the bell so that you can be notified every week when I post a new video. So I don't know about y'all, but I used to have a really tough time, talking about struggle bus time, when it came to blending out a smoky eye look. If this is something that you struggle with too, by the end of this video, you'll know how to properly blend out a smoky eye. Let's get started. So we're starting with one eye already done. We're gonna go right into this eye look. For the transition shades, I'm going to be going into the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This is a really cute palette for the crease, so I'm going to be going in with this one today. The first shade I'm going to be using is this little warm peachy shade down here in the corner. And I'm going to be taking that in with my Morphe M533. And I'm using a large fluffy brush for the first transition shade because I kind of want to get it all over so that it doesn't get too lost when I put the other shades over it. The next shade I'm going to be going into is this one, this warm brown shade up here at the top. And I'm going to put that right on top of the first shade that we used. And this time I'm using a Sigma E40 brush. So much pigment. Oh my God. So much pigment. Who to be doing the damn thing with the pigment? I'm just like, whew. And these little palettes are only $27. So I think it's worth it. Next, I'm going into this dark brown shade. And I'm taking that in with a Luxie 205 brush. And I want to take this shade a little lower because it's darker and I don't want it too far up, make it look like I got a black eye or something. Nah. So we're gonna take it lower, sis. Just a little lower. Now I'm going in with the Inglot 77 gel pot. This is a super dark gel pot that I'm going to be using today as a base for the shade that I'm going to put on my lid. And I'm going to be applying it with a Luxie 211 concealer brush. Next, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I'm going to take this shade here, Decadent, just a little bit, right into the crease. But I'm going to use a really light hand because I don't want it to get, just like the other darker shade, I don't want it to get too far up. I'm going to go into this MAC Mineralized eyeshadow in the shade Cinderfella. It gives a nice subtle, natural, glitzy glam to the eye look. So I'm going to be going in with this first with my blending brush into my crease, just so that the glitter blends from the crease down to the lid. And this is the same brush that I use with Decadent. Putting that right in the crease. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E55 and dip it into Cinderfella, and I'm going to put it all over the lid. Yes. Yes, Cinderfella. Do y'all see what's happening right now? Besides that, I'm getting a little messy, but still. I'm going to be lining my top lash line with that same inglot that I put all over the lid. And this is a Dose of Colors fine liner brush. I'm not winging it, I'm just making a thin line along the top. Next, I'm going to be applying some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Next, I'm going to be applying some falsies. As always, I'm going in with the Lilly Lashes in style Mica Nose. Alright guys, so the majority of the eyes are already done. I'm going to be finishing the rest of my face off camera. So I'll be back to apply some highlight and finish my under eyes. Alright, so I went ahead and finished this eye off camera. I'm going to be going into this middle brown shade here first and smudging that under my lower lash line with this Dose of Colors fine liner brush. I'm sorry, no. With this Dose of Colors pencil brush. Now I'm going into this dark brown shade with my short shader E20 brush from Sigma. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. This is the Lancome L'Estilo Waterproof Eyeliner. And for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. To highlight, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Semi Precious Pearl. Ooh, pearl. And this is a Sigma F42 brush. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and line with the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And now I'm going in with the Lawless Liquid Lipstick in George. This is the Dose of Colors Lip Gloss in Jazzy. Alright guys, so we're all done. This is it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really feeling like the sparkles on the lid. Like, ooh. Ooh. It just looks like she ain't come to play. Now you know how to achieve a smoky eye look, and you about to look bomb AF when you go out. Bomb. If you like this video and it was helpful to you, please let me know by liking it down below. Give me a thumbs up. Come on, do it now. Thumbs up. Subscribe and share it with your fellow ladies or makeup lovers. Make sure you comment below to let me know if this was helpful and if you like the look that I came up with. All right, guys. See you guys next time.